Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello everyone, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to launch a factory that will manufacture modernized versions of Kalashnikov rifle in which place? Kalashnikov rifles is nothing but the AK rifles. Earlier we used to use the AK-47 rifles. The options are Varanasi, Amethi, Rae Bareli or Gorakhpur. The answer is B, Amethi. Now, these AK rifles are manufactured by the country Russia. AK full form is Automat Kalashnikov. India Russia Rifles Private Limited will produce the latest series of AK rifles at the Korva Ordnance Factory in Amethi. And it is part of the Uttar Pradesh Defence Corridor project. Remember, Amethi is the Lok Sabha constituency of Rahul Gandhi. About 7.5 lakh units of the latest versions of AK-47 will be manufactured, and according to the officials, it is expected that AK-203 rifles would be manufactured in this factory. Which of the following principal organ of United Nations blacklist Osama bin Laden's son? UNSC, UNIDO, UNODC or UNODA? You need to know the full form of each and every option. United Nations Security Council, United Nations Industrial Development Organization or United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, United Nations Office for Disarmament Affairs. Answer is A, United Nations Security Council. The UN Security Council has designated Hamza bin Laden, the son of Osama bin Laden, under its sanction list. Remember this number, very important. Expect a question from this area. They might ask in State Public Service Commission. The UNSC 1267 ISIS and Al Qaeda Sanctions Committee listed Hamza, and US announced a reward of up to $1 million for information about him. Saudi Arabia announced that it had revoked the citizenship of Hamza via a royal decree. He is the Hamza bin Laden, son of Osama bin Laden. Who is the chairman of DRDO who wins 2019 Missile Systems Award? K.Sivan, G.Satheesh Reddy, Avinash Chander, Nambi Narayan. The answer is B, G.Satheesh Reddy. The American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics has selected G.Satheesh Reddy, the Secretary of India's Department of Defense and Chairman of Defense Research Development Organization DRDO. Now, he is the co-winner of 2019 Missile Systems Award for his role in design and development of the missile systems. He is the first person outside the United States to be awarded with this prestigious award in nearly 4 decades. He is G.Satheesh Reddy. Which missiles were displayed by Indian Air Force to say that Pakistan used F-16 fighter jets? AMRAM, AASM, Ares, F-21. The answer is A, AMRAM. AMRAM is Advanced Medium Range Air-to-Air Missile. It is a modern American beyond visual range air-to-air missile capable of all-weather day and night operations. Pakistan used F-16 fighter jets during an aerial raid targeting Indian military installations in Kashmir, but they deny using F-16 fighter jets and also denied that F-16 had been downed by Indian Air Force MiG-21. So therefore, in response to this, Indian Air Force displays AMRAM missile parts and conclusively proves that they had used F-16. Remember, AMRAM missiles can be dropped only from the F-16 fighter jets, and under US-Pakistan end-user agreement, Pak had misused F-16s. So therefore, US seeks details from Pakistan on the potential misuse of this American-made F-16 fighter jets. Who will be the first woman of Indian origin in the United Kingdom to be accorded a blue plaque? Noor Inayat Khan, Preet Guar, Jessica Patel or Manisha Singh? The answer is A. Noor Inayat Khan will be the first woman of Indian origin in the United Kingdom to be accorded a blue plaque. She was a British heroine of the World War II, renowned for her service in the Special Operations Executive. She was killed spying for Britain during Second World War. Remember, a blue plaque is a permanent sign installed in a public place in the United Kingdom to show that a famous person once lived there. She is Noor Inayat Khan. What is the name of the documentary which tells the story of all women Indian Navy crew that circumnavigated world last year? Taruni, Kalvari, Sukanya, Tarangini. The answer is A. Tarini. On International Women's Day, this documentary tells the story of all women Indian Navy crew that circumnavigates the world last year. Navika Sagar Parikrama is the name of the expedition for the circumnavigation, and this expedition was carried out on INSP Taruni, Indian Navy sailing vessel, by Indian Navy's women naval officers. And this is INSP Taruni, which carried 6 women Indian Navy officers around the globe. Asia's oldest bamboo fossil is unearthed in which part of India? South India, North India, Northeast India, or West India? The answer is C. Northeast India. Northeast India bamboo hotspot has thrown up several bamboo fossils, and one of them, at around 28 million years old, is the oldest Asian bamboo fossil unearthed. Which of the following America's private agency's new astronaut capsule docks International Space Station? NASA, SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic. The answer is B. SpaceX. Elon Musk SpaceX celebrates successful launch of a new astronaut capsule to International Space Station. It is the latest in a series of tests that the capsule must pass in order to get approval from NASA to transport people. Now, all this particular mission is carrying is a test dummy named as Ripley. Country's first Rajadhani Express celebrates how many years recently? 80 years, 75 years, 50 years, or 40 years? The answer is C. 50 years. Country's first Rajadhani Express celebrates Golden Jubilee. The Kolkata-New Delhi Rajadhani Express embarked on its first journey on March 3rd, 1969. It was the first train with meals included in the fares, and it is country's first fully air-conditioned high-speed train that covered 1450 km stretch in 17 hours 20 minutes. This is the Rajadhani Express. Which tennis player sealed his 100th career singles title with victory at the Dubai Tennis Championship? Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Novak Djokovic, or Jimmy Connors? The answer is B. Roger Federer. Roger Federer is the only second player to reach the 3 figures for the tournaments won, the first being Jimmy Connors, who achieved this feat in 1983 when he won the US Open. Jimmy Connors won almost 109 career single titles in his term, and Roger Federer is only the second player to achieve this feat. Which cricket team was attacked in Pakistan exactly 10 years ago? India, Sri Lanka, Australia, or Bangladesh? The answer is B. Sri Lanka. Almost 10 years ago, exactly on March 3rd, 2009, Sri Lanka's team bus taking the team to the Gaddafi Stadium for a test match against Pakistan in Lahore was hit by bullets and grenades in an attack by armed militants. How many countries give women and men equal rights according to the World Bank report? 4 countries, 5, 6, or 7 countries? The answer is C. 6 countries. Only 6 countries in the world give women and men equal rights according to the World Bank report, and those 6 countries are Belgium, Denmark, France, Latvia, Luxembourg, and Sweden. The World Bank report assessed the gender discrimination in 187 countries, while the above 6 countries scored 100% in equality. Let's see the question for the day. Which of the following wrestler wins gold in 65 kg freestyle category in Bulgaria and dedicates his win to Abhinandan Vartaman? Sushil Kumar, Yogeshwar Dutt, Bajrang Punia or Pawan Kumar? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. World Wildlife Day is celebrated every year on March 1st, March 2nd, March 3rd or March 4th. The answer is C, March 3rd. Very important. Do expect a question from this area for all the upcoming exams. World Wildlife Day is celebrated every year on March 3rd. The theme for the World Wildlife Day 2019 is Life Below Water for People and Planet. The theme aligns closely with the Sustainable Development Goal 14, which says about life below water and will provide an opportunity to highlight the value of the marine world life. Now, SDG 14 is also very important. Do remember the number. It aims to sustainably manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems from pollution as well as address the impacts of ocean acidification. Let's see the quote for the day. Now, we have discussed today that Roger Federer claims his 100th title in his career and becomes the only second person to do so. It's only because of his longevity, continuity, consistency and hard work. So always stay positive, work hard and make it happen. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.